Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable to use print screen button open screen sniping on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable print screen button to open screen sniping, right click on Start menu, click on Settings, in left pane click on Accessibility. Now scroll down, click on Keyboard, scroll down again. Here you will find use the print screen key to open screen capture. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now print screen key is enabled to open screen capture. Now you need to restart your computer. Close settings, click on Start menu and click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your print screen button is enabled to open screen capture in Windows 11 computer.